우리 걸그룹 데뷔해도 되겠어. 걸그룹 데뷔. 유니스로.
우리 그럼 트로트로.
아 싫어.
뭐라고 했지?
여자친구. 여자친구지. 언니는 와이프니까 와이피. 저희는 와이피입니다. 유니스.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is your sister Uni 언니 here.
And it's Sue here.
Welcome back to Eunisoo
TMI.
Merry Christmas! Happy
Christmas!
New Year's! Today we are extra crazy and extra excited because we will be your Secret Santa for all of our friends out there who did not get a present this year. So we're giving away skincare products that will help with your skin concerns at the moment and that will suit your skin type. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Yes, details of the giveaway will be shared towards the end, so stay tuned in. Don't go anywhere.
This is all for you guys, all for you. So recently we actually asked you guys to send in your skincare concerns, and as a matter of fact, we had 1,000 responses.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for taking the time to share with us, with your skin concerns.
We're going to select 5 of them.
And we will be announcing the 30 winners, you guys, so stay tuned.
And you need to stay in order to participate for the new giveaway we'll be having for the extra 20 people.
Boy, boy.
All right, starting off with the first skincare concern we have from Mark Anthony. My biggest concern is my blackheads since grade 7. I have these. I have a lot of products that I tried lately for my blackheads, but there's no product that worked for my concern. I have oily and dehydrated skin. Hope to be chosen here. You have indeed been chosen!
Congrats, Anthony!
So we will be giving away this beautiful set from Pyeongganyu. P.S. I love this line. It's honestly like my first love, especially the essence. So not only you'll be getting the essence, but also the cleansing balm, the serum, and the cream. Like this cream right here, this is the nutrition cream. This is awesome because it has shea butter, macadamia seed oil, a lot of occlusives, and it also has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to hydrate your skin as well. You can definitely feel that it's a cream more than a lotion.
Ooh, not heavy, huh? I just like the way that it melts down. And...
No scent. And also you can use the serum. Ooh! So this has vitamin E plus olive oil. This combination of ingredients basically helps lower the heat from your face and helps to suppress the activity of harmful substances. It has a milky texture, huh?
Look at that. It looks very thick, but it just melts down really nicely when you touch it.
Holy moly, this literally melted under my fingers. Thank you, PD님. And fortunately, we have this beautiful deep clear cleansing balm. So basically what you do, you melt this formula down in your hands and then you can just rub and try to melt and battle those blackheads gently.
Second winner skin concerns. This was from Ka Mini. Hi Uni 언니 and Sue 언니. My first skin concerns are I had enlarged and obvious pores around my cheek area, which I tried pore care products also. It's still there. And second is aging, which means I have wrinkles on my forehead and underneath my eyes, which I found that it gives me a dull and mature look. And the last one is I had dehydrated skin around my cheek area, especially for rainy seasons at times in Singapore. Thanks to you both that letting Eunisoo fans like me to participate in this kind of activity.
Aww, thank you, Kamini.
So for you, Kamini, we have these products right here from Real Barrier. And honestly, before we talked about this, we're like, oh my gosh, we loved these 3. So we were really talking about how much we loved these 3 products right here. First of all, let's talk about the cream cleansing foam. When you first squeeze it out, it looks like a cream, but really after cleansing, it leaves a very hydrating layer on your skin that you feel like your skin is not stripped away of the necessary moisture barrier that you've been trying to keep all your life.
I know.
And you've been trying so hard to keep healthy. And it's a low pH cleanser, but it will make sure that it will not damage your skin. And the toner, it just felt so good. I feel like even if it's just a toner, it has such a viscosity to it that you can even use it up to your serum or Ampoule step.
It honestly has a very milky texture to it. It honestly almost passes for a serum.
Yeah, it does.
Right?
It does. And that's what I loved, especially when I was doing the DIY sheet mask. I felt like my skin felt kind of reset in a way, very soothed and calmed. So I can just kind of finish off with like a few drops of oil, or you can add in your cream right here. And
yes!
This is so good.
Yes!
PDD, can I take this back? This cream right here, it has 20,000 ppm of a special patent ceramide from Real Barrier, and the texture is very thick. And I know that Kamini, right now you're living in Singapore. You might be like, oh my god, the texture's a little bit too thick for the weather right here. However, you just get a little bit. I had a spatula, but I was too excited. I just got it with my hands. All you need to do is kind of melt it down in your hands like this. So everything melts down really nicely. And it has like a minty kind of scent that I really enjoy. Really? And everything, the texture is really light and fresh with these. So at the end, all you have to do is melt it down on your hand like that. And then just kind of like gently do it like this on top. And just give you that kind of layer to just seal everything off. The Panthenol in here, the Madecasosai, you're gonna love it. I really love this one.
All right, moving on to the next skincare concern from Lau. For me, I have oily, acne-prone skin, same here. And now I'm 20 years old. I hope that I can find some products that can help me control my oil production and also control my acne breakout. My pores are visible and blackheads. I have quite a lot of them. I also hope to find some products that could help me fade away my acne scars. Hope to get some help from Eunisoo. But what about me?
Baby, you're supposed to add Sue at the end.
We're gonna gift you the Soon Plus set! Soon Plus was like a brand I always wanted to try out.
Yeah.
It's a brand from Amore Pacific. And look at this beautiful packaging!
I love their packaging.
I know.
And we've only tried a few of the products, but the ones that we've tried that we're gonna gift you with are amazing.
There's also a pore serum. It's this teeny tiny, so cute! But this is basically a serum with allantoin in it. And it's going to help reduce the appearance of your pores and also help with excessive sebum. But just because it's a pore serum, it doesn't mean it's dry.
Yeah.
It's actually really, really hydrating. And also in this lovely trial kit, you get the Cica serum. Cica is great for, healing, wound healing, so it might help with the acne scarring.
Yeah.
I actually really enjoyed the Cica serum. It was a lot more, I guess, like nourishing or rich than the pore serum.
I also liked the blemish care serum that it had too. I think that will help with the acne scars.
Exactly. So this one is a lot bigger than the pore serum, but it's really, really just hydrating, which I really, really like. And you can also try this Soon Plus Trouble Expert Treatment Ampoule Drop for your acne. It has Centella Active, which contains metacassic acid, asiatic acid.
Don't you love the packaging though?
I know! It's like
so
plop it out like this. And it also has coriander, which I thought was interesting. It is there for the antioxidant effects. For the texture, it actually feels not too light. Not too light, actually.
For me, I thought it was really light because when you think about blemish care, you know how you think something will be very like concentrated and sticky? But I felt like, it's a very smooth kind of...
Yeah, it's smooth. And you'll also be getting this Green Relief Cleansing Oil. So pretty!
I know.
So this actually has been approved through clinical trial to effectively remove blackheads. So Lau, you said, you had concerns with the acne. So this is also a great product that you can use to kind of deal with them.
All right, so the next winner is from Massey. My skin feels very dry and I hate how my upper cheek is on the red side sometimes. It can be itchy and I notice a little brown spot near my lower cheek, near my right side lip where that is, and that's bothering me in some ways. And I don't know what to do, and my lower eye, sometimes my kids will tell me that my under eye are puffy and I have no clue why. I don't think it's that bad, but I guess if the kids are saying it, then it must be adorable. Yeah.
Kids can be mean.
I know what you mean. Sometimes they're like, you're okay, but people are like, are you okay? Are you sick? I'm like,
I know.
no, I'm just not wearing lipstick. All right, Massey, so we have a great selection of products from a brand that actually is ATOPALM! Woo! First of all, we have the top to toe wash. Ooh. So you can use it from your top to your toes.
Oh, and I love how it's in a pump type.
Yeah, and even right from the packaging, you can actually, there's a picture of a baby. So you can actually use it with your children that tell you about your puffiness under your eye.
And next time they tell you that, you can be like, shush, child, shush.
I saw that it has a MLE patent formula, multi-lamellar emulsion, but interestingly, I saw it in here too in Real Barrier. Did you guys know that they are from the same mother companies? Both of the brands have really good formulations, especially for skin barrier and dryness. You're gonna love this. This is a shampoo and a body wash.
Really?
Head to toe.
I want this.
And we have these two creams for you guys. The first one, the MLE cream right here. We're gonna
This
see.
one is very, very thick. So, Matthew, you mentioned you had dry cheeks that hurt. This is gonna do the job. So once again, I'd recommend you to melt it down between your hands and just absorb it, especially on the specific areas that you're hurting. Maybe you have like an oily T-zone, so if you put that all over, it might be a bit overwhelming.
Right.
But just for the cheeks, I think it's gonna work just right. I mean, I really enjoy using this.
This is another cream that is amazing. It has a lot of great ingredients in here. Sunflower seed oil, you have green tea seed oil, shea butter, and you can actually use it with your children. So
Exactly.
this is gonna be amazing for you. And Massey, we are gonna talk about the Panthenol cream. Personally, for me, because it's in a tub type, like a tube, this is much easier for me. It mainly focuses on calming. So you said that you do have concerns of kind of redness around the cheek area and things like that, so it'll be very good for soothing your skin. It does contain large amounts of Panthenol in here and a lot of good ingredients that actually lessens redness and that is highly moisturizing.
And the last skincare concern we have is from Grace. She says, uneven skin tone, blackheads, and some dark spots. Oh, she kept it simple. She's chic.
Yeah.
I like your style. We actually have the perfect product for you. This is May Vitamin C Bifida Lotion. Vitamin C is great to even out your complexion. It also has great antioxidant benefits, and it's also good for freckles, blemishes, etc. Ooh. Ooh.
Nice texture.
Light, nice texture.
And you know what? I think we see a lot of vitamin C serums and a lot of like thick creams, so we never see lotion types, right?
You're right. And we also have the vitamin B5 Bifida toner. So after you've evened out your skin tone and you just want to, apply something to help your skin out, vitamin B5 is basically Panthenol. This is more of a watery type, as you can see. Ooh, but it's a watery type, so you can use both of them actually. You can layer first with this beautiful Panthenol Bifida toner and then go in with some vitamin C.
So we thought that it will be perfect to suit your skin concerns of dark spots, blackheads.
Uneven skin tone. So I think this is the perfect set. So as we said, 30 of you guys will be getting this beautiful set from Real Barrier, and here are the winners! Woo!
Congrats!
Ta-da! It should be going out right now. You should be able to check your ID right now.
The 30 people.
Exactly.
And because so many people have been participating, 1,000 people, thank you guys so much for filling out everything. We will be choosing extra 20 winners to give out this amazing set of selection of products from Soon Plus.
Yes! All right, here's how to enter the giveaway. First, after watching this video until the very end, after that, click on the URL in the description box, link to the Google form, fill it out, and you're good to go.
Easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the giveaway will be starting from December 30th, which is right now, and it will be going on to January 5th. Also, don't forget to comment down below any questions or any sweet comments. All right, we'll see you guys in our next episode.
Next year, actually.
Next year!
Bye! Happy New Year's, everyone!
We're getting older!
Older. It's okay!
Eunisoo